Hi everybody and welcome to Pass First Time, Ireland's online driving school. This is the very first video on our YouTube channel, and the channel is closely linked to our website PassFirstTime.ie. We are Ireland's online driving school, bringing you the roadmap to driving test success with RSA approved driving instructors. This channel will bring you the best tips from Ireland's most experienced RSA-approved instructors. Easy to follow, straight to the point advice to help you to pass your driving test first time. What we'd like you to do to avail of what we have to offer is to subscribe to the channel and to click the bell to get regular updates on the driving test in Ireland. We would be delighted if you would do that. This is a very short intro video, but just before you go, please make sure you have subscribed. We will bring you updates over the next couple of weeks. Also, check out the website PassFirstTime.ie. What's up there now is a registration box. All you do is enter your email address, and we will keep you updated on when the website is going to launch. And just as a big thank you for registering, we will send you regular email tips over the next couple of weeks on how you should be preparing for your driving test, just as a little thank you. So watch your inbox, register and subscribe, and we will see you very shortly in the next video.